Hi guys, previously we have implemented the home screen. Now we will move on to implementing profile screen. Before moving on to that, I have updated some files like profile data, where I have implemented the data required for the profile screen, and I have added an image in the assets folder, Amazon logo, which is going to be used here in the header. You can find these things in the description. Now we'll move on to building the profile screen. We'll make the necessary imports required for the page. We'll pass navigation as a prop. Now we will implement use effect. We don't want any header title, thus we mention empty quotes. And for the left section of the header, we'll add an image. Now we'll style the image. Yeah, now we got the header here. Let's build the right section of the header. Now we got the bell icon here. Now let's implement the search icon. Perfect. Now we'll style this and make it as a row. Flex direction row. It will fix this now. Yeah, it's fixed. Perfect. Align item center. And We don't have space here, so we will move this a little bit. Margin right 10. Perfect. Fine. We'll style this header a little bit. We'll add a background color to this header. Perfect. And we'll set the border width is 0. Border bottom width 0. Yeah. Next we'll move on to implementing the content. Styles.container. We'll add a text here which is hello and the username. Let's put AV codes here. Fine. And we'll add a account circle here. User icon. Name account circle. Let's make it, give it a color and let's make it bigger. Yeah, perfect. And we'll give it a background color of white. We'll style this a little bit. Now we have to add a gradient color. For that, we'll insert the following package. Expo install Expo linear gradient. Now the package is installed. Let's use that in our application. First we'll import that. Yeah, now we are good to go. Now we have to put the colors in the array. The same color like in the header, this exact color. And now we got the gradient finish. Perfect. Now let's make it in a row direction. We'll style this. Let's name this as title container. and this is title text. Yeah, now it's perfect. Let's align this. Justify contents, space between. Now we'll add some padding here. A padding of 15 with, yeah, now it's perfect. Let's style the text here. We'll make it a little bit bigger, font size of 24, and we'll increase the font weight and make it as bold. Yeah, perfect. Let's move on building the next section. We'll add a profile card here, component. We'll import that here. Yeah, now we can see that profile card here. Let's implement the profile card component. We have to import the dimensions from reactnative package. We are importing this because to get the size of the window, dimensions dot get window dot width. It will give the width of the window from here to here, whatever mobile or device you are using. Fine. Your orders. Now we'll style this a little bit. Style start container. We'll give it a background color of something similar to white. And a border width of 1. We'll add a border color. The width. What it did is, it took the whole dimension from here to here, the whole width. It divides into half. Then it minuses 50. So we got the width like this. Now we'll add a little bit padding here. The padding bottom of 10. Justify content center. Align items center. It will align it in the center exactly, vertically and horizontally. And we'll add a little bit margin. And before that, we'll make the border radius 20. So it will look like a rounded. Next, we'll add margin right of 10 and margin bottom of 10. Yeah, Now let's go to the profile screen and style this view. Style start action container. We'll add a margin top of 20 and a border bottom color. No, we don't need that here. Flex direction of row. We are using flex direction because we have multiple profile cards like this. If you have multiple things, we have to wrap it. Flex wrap of wrap. Now it will show this in 2 rows. Yeah, perfect. And we have to justify this content. So justify content space evenly. Perfect. Now we'll move on to your order section. The section in which we can see our orders. Now we'll create a new component, order card. We'll save it, profile screen. We'll import order card component here. Yeah, perfect. We got the text here. We give this a name, order container, and this one is my bad, order text. We'll style this order container. We'll give it a margin top of 15 and a background color of a border bottom color, of next. We'll give width, border bottom width of 3 units, then a padding left of 10 units and a padding bottom of 10 units. Perfect. Now we'll style the order text. We make the text as bold. We'll increase the font size to 20 units. Now it's looking good. We'll give a margin bottom so it don't look clumsy. Yeah, perfect. Now we'll implement the order card. We are going to just add image here, so we don't need this text. We'll remove it. We'll add image, source you can find in this data. We'll take some more. Yeah, we'll take this one. We'll put it over here. And we need to style this a little bit. I will give it a height of 120 units and a width of 180 units. That gives a resize mode of contain. Yeah, now it looks perfect. We'll give a border with 1. Border. We'll add a border radius of 10 units. And a border color. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. We'll give a background color of white, just in case if our photo is of less width, it will occupy the other position. The white color will be showed in the other position, so the image doesn't look odd. Let's save this and move on to our profile scheme. We'll add a few more orders. You have to add a scroll view here. We'll give it a tab, scroll view, horizontal, true. Now it will show in a horizontal manner. We'll style this a little bit. Style equal. We don't have to do style here. We have to remove this indicator, this scroll indicator, the bar which is showing here. For that we have to do shows horizontal scroll indicator false. Now it will disappear. Yeah, perfect. We add a little bit of space here. We'll go to our order card. Style equal to styles dot container. Margin right of 10 units. And we'll add a little bit margin below also. Margin bottom of 10 units. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. Now we'll implement wishlist. For that, just copy this and paste it here. Change this to wishlist. Later we'll map our dummy data here, so it won't be same. The images in the your orders and the images in the viewer wishlist will be different. Now we will add your account section. Text, your account. Let's save this. We got this here. Fine. Then a scroll view. Horizontal equal to true. Shows horizontal word indicator false. We'll implement a new component. We'll go to components folder, create a file, account card.js. We'll put some boilerplate code. Yeah. Now we'll style this. We'll import it here. You have to import it manually in the top. I'm not doing because I have auto import. If you want to auto import also, just click a control and space bar. It will show, just hit enter. It will automatically import. Before that, we will implement a scroll view overall. because the length is getting increasing. So we'll implement a scroll view. Change this to scroll. Hit and save. Yeah. Now we'll implement account card. As a placeholder, we'll put your address. Later, we'll map it with the dummy data. Style equal to styles.container. See, it got reflected here. Container. We'll give the background color or something similar to white. The border width of 1. The border color of grayish color, which we used before. And now you can see the border here. Let's give it a padding of top of 10 units. The padding bottom of same 10 units. Padding left of 15 units and a padding right of 15 units. And hit save. Yeah. Now we can view this component here. We'll align the content center. Align items center. Perfect. Now we'll add a little bit border of 5 units, border radius of. It looks curved a little bit. Now we'll style this your account and this view a little bit. Go to profile screen. Style equal to styles.order container. You got a little border over here. Style equal styles dot order text. Now it should be looking fine. Yeah, perfect. Now we will map the dummy data. Import the dummy data here. Import from data and profile data. We'll import account data, info data, order data, and finally wishlist data. We'll map through it here in the profile section. Info data dot map. We'll give data as variable name. We'll remove this. Hit save. Key equal to data dot title equal to data dot title. You can see the title here. Info data and title your orders, buy again, your account, your wishlist. We'll make the dynamic. Now we'll go to profile card and give the title prop LE. Just a minute. Just remove the outer inner parenthesis and it will work fine. Yeah, perfect. Next we'll make the order card dynamic. Order data dot map data variable image equal to data dot image. Now we'll go to order card. We'll import the image prop here and we'll replace this. Yeah. Now we can view different items. And we'll make a wishlist card dynamic. Wishlist data dot map data variable order card image equal to data dot image. Now we can view the different items. Munchu, Z Fold, iPhone, Mac, and our orders. Let's make your account dynamic. Account data dot map title equal to data dot title. We'll save this, go to account card, we'll import title prop here and replace this with title. Now it should be working fine. Yeah, everything is looking close. We'll add a margin a little bit, margin right of 10 units. Yeah, perfect. This is the preview. You have the title here, the account circle here, your orders, buy again, your account, your wishlist, and we can view our orders here, we can view our wishlist here, and we can view your account details here. The next video we will be implementing the cart screen. Before that I made one change in the home screen, that is I changed this view into safe area view. Change that. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Comment what you want the next. What video or what kind of clones you want me to build and I'll do that. Thank you guys.